Hey, it's that time of year. Time to get outside, spring. Going to replace the fountain out back, so we're going to go through a quick setup of a 4-tier waterfall fountain that I'm going to put out back on the back patio, so when we're sitting outside, we have something soothing to listen to, along with all the wildlife that's around the area. So first thing you got to do, unpack it. Most of your pumps are exactly the same. You're going to have to set it here for the flow, okay? When you look inside, you'll be able to see that's fully opened. I don't like it to be on full, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. And then the next thing we got to do is we're going to have to pull everything out and connect it all up. So setup is pretty straightforward. You've got all your wiring in the back that is for your LED lights. One thing I always do is check and make sure that the watertight connections are all the way in. Find the other end with its watertight connection. We got to actually connect it to our power supply. 2 pins, line that up inside, and you're going to push that in. Get that all nice and tight. We're ready to go there. The next thing we got to do is this is your water feed tube. It's got to go down inside in the top here, and then the bowl fits in and locks in place. Put that down so we can reach that from the inside. Make sure that goes all the way down inside. It's got little latches on the side here that you're going to connect. We're going to get those lined up. Lock that in place by turning it to get it lined up. Then we're going to take our pump, and we've got the connector on top there, so we've got to actually connect that to that hose that we just put down, fed down through. We got our tube that comes from our top bucket down, and take that, we're going to connect that to our pump, and that's the hardest part of the entire setup process, is actually getting that put on. And we're going to take our pump, we're going to put that back in. Make sure that's sitting on the bottom, because we want to make sure when we fill it up that it's fully submerged and ready to go. So now we're going to go ahead and fill it, and we'll get started on trying it out. So we got it all together. We went ahead and powered it up. We've got two in this particular model. You got two separate outlets, one for the LED lights and one for the pump. It's quiet running. You notice I did not put the pump on full capacity because it will actually cause it to spill over. And now all we got to do is enjoy it. And depending on the climate of where you live, you're going to have to fill it up every 2 to 4 days because of evaporation. So enjoy and understand that all the concepts here are the same for any type of fountains that you buy. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.